Hi, I'm Charlie Taylor, co-founder and president of Larry Thomas Youth Development, and I'm here today with John from Amazon. And John, can you tell us about yourself and the role in the community, your role in the community?
My name is John Pombier. I'm the Senior Manager of Community Engagement for Amazon in Arizona. My role in the community is I look for ways to give hyper locally. I want to find organizations that are easy to find, give them a seat at the table that don't normally get a seat at the table. I want to put a smile and delight on their face. Why? Because nobody can believe Amazon found them, and they're doing good work in the local community. Those are the types of groups I look for.
Thank you. Now, can you tell me why you support LTYD?
Because they're one of those organizations. I mean, when you hear the story of the Larry Thomas Youth Foundation, you can't help but love it. I mean, you really just can't. And then you start to see what they're doing in the community. And people always say it takes a village to raise a child. But it's true, especially today, when you can do so much online, when you can do so much that disconnects them. Having that tethered to the community is essential for these kids' growth. And not all of us are blessed with great parents. What you do in the community gives them an opportunity to do more, to become more, to realize they can become more. If you're not giving them power, but you're letting them see they have power, from my standpoint, that's hyper-local. From my standpoint, that's authentic impact in our community where we need it the most. I couldn't be more excited than to support their time.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And what specific benefit do you see LTYD having in your sector of the community?
You know, the biggest benefit is it creates a situation for our youth to have a place to go that will help them grow, that's safe, keeps them off the streets. I mean, all of us, we're young ones. For you and me, it's been a little bit of a time. But being idle gets you in trouble. If you got nothing better to do, you will find trouble. And if you lack role models, you don't even know what good looks like to you. Larry Thomas meets both those needs. And Larry Thomas does it in the places it's needed. This isn't a superficial organization that does it at a high level. They find the kids in the community that give them the most, and they work with those kids. And that's exciting. And it's great. And when you talk to the communities that Larry Thomas is in, they all say the same thing. They do great work. Iron sharpens iron.
Iron sharpens iron. Thank you so much. You know, to learn more, offer your support, make a donation to strengthen our community impact, go to ltyd.org/donate. Thank you for your time.